Hello, innovators and problem solvers. Welcome to the first episode of our podcast, Behind the Bill Project Management Stories and Strategies. I'm your guide through the fascinating world where ideas turn into reality. And today we are going to talk about various real life challenges and stories behind successful project execution. Let's get started. Hi. At Ellocent Labs, we live and breathe projects every single day. So let's pull back the curtain and have a look at how a project is handled every day. That is beyond textbook and buzzwords. That's right. So we are going to lay the foundation of our series. First of all, we are going to tackle the very biggest question of all. What is project management really like beyond the textbooks? Honestly, it's more about science and art of how you are handling it. So project management is all about planning, organizing, and executing the task on time. And moreover, it is like how you are managing your team and you're meeting the deadlines. That's impressive. So, is it something that only tech companies need, or does it has a wider approach? Great question. It's everywhere, whether it is a construction company, healthcare industry, software industry. Whenever there is a need to deploy and your project on time and have to meet the deadlines, there is a need for project management to handle all the situations. So intense. So let's zoom on to the real MVPs here, the project managers, of course. So, Aman, what does your day-to-day activity looks like? A bit of everything. So, if I take my example, my day start with the stand-up meeting that I have with my team. So I plan and I distribute the task between my team members, and we do retrospective also, like what was done yesterday and what we are achieving today and what will be our goal for the tomorrow. And uh, many time I am like a coach to them whenever they are in a situation, there are some scenarios stuck, and sometimes you need to be a firefighter for them as well. Oh my god, firefighter, that's so intense. So, is there any story you want to share with us where the things went really off the rail? Oh, totally. There is a time I can recall, like there was a whole U-turn in my project. We have to deliver everything and go live within a week, but the client changed the whole concept of the app. So we have to redo all the designing and the functionality of it. So it was a hard task, but we have to deliver it on time and according to the client's need. I will say we delivered it on time, and we all earned our coffee that week. So magic, I can say. So this brings me up to something. How do you manage all of this? Like, are you making some kind of sticky notes or using any tools to simplify your day? Because it's really like a chaotic, I can say, activity for you. I will say I am done with the phase of using the sticky notes, but I will say I am using that sometimes. So, but now we have a lot of tools with us. So I mostly use Trello, Jira, and Asana for that. Nice. So just don't spilling the tea with the audience. We will discuss about these tools and methodologies in detail in our next episode. So stay with us till then. All right. In next episode, we can discuss these in details with all the methodologies and the tools, like how we can use them and improve with our project management. Love that. So, for someone who's curious about Aman or is just starting with their first project, is there any great advice you really want to give them? Yes, you should start simple and have a clear way of communication with your client and with your team. There should be a clear scope of work which you are about to deliver, and you have to have a great team and divide the task according to their strength. And always remember that, like, every project or give you some type of lesson. So with every project you grow and learn new things about the project management.
Wow, what an awesome advice she has given. So, guys, that's it for the episode one, the reality of project management. Whether you are an experienced project manager or just curious about project management, we hope this episode helped you really well. Catch you in the episode two, where we will unpack about tools, terminologies, and all the nerdy stuff that keeps the project moving.
Till then, stay flexible, stay focused, and always remember that project management is more about than solving problem or avoiding it. It is more about how you are tackling and having a great innovation with that.
Thank you, Aman, for this wonderful session. Guys, if you found today's episode really helpful, please take a moment to like, subscribe, and share it within your network. Got any questions or want us to cover something really specific? Drop a comment out there or reach us out. Until next time, keep building smarter.